It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining. Noah looks outside. Today is a park day.
Emma! Emma! Come quick! What is it, Noah? Look! The sun is here!
This is a beautiful day.
Yes, a perfect day. Come on, Emma! Let's go! Let's go!
Noah is so happy. But suddenly, the weather has changed.
Oh, it's raining! Emma, it is raining outside.
The rain is so heavy.
It's raining. No park today. The rain came fast. I see you are sad. I waited all week for today.
Noah is sad. No park today.
The park is outside. But we're inside.
So, let's make the park inside. Inside? How? Let's make a fort.
The park was far away, and Emma had a great idea. But the fort was right here, and it was perfect.
This is so much fun! See? See? The rain helped us.
Really? Helped us? How?
We made something new. The fort is better than the park. Yes! Let's do this again!
They are so happy now.
Let's make it bigger next time!